You ever notice how microwave doors aren't just clear glass? That dark mesh? It's not decoration. It's science. Inside your microwaves, blasting electromagnetic waves about 12 centimeters long. They're bouncing around, heating your food by making water molecules dance. But those waves? They're dangerous if they escape. That's where the mesh comes in. The holes are tiny, smaller than the waves themselves. So the microwaves, they can't get out. But visible light? Much shorter wavelength, it can pass through. So you can watch your soup explode in peace. Now if the mesh was broken, your microwave becomes a silent, invisible radiation cannon, and your eyes, full of water, would get boiled. But hold up, it's not that you're being shielded from harmful radiation. Microwaves are non-ionizing, less energetic than even visible light. What you're being protected from is exactly what microwaves do. They excite water molecules. That means heat. So if those waves hit the water in your body, you're basically slow cooking yourself from the inside. So yeah, that mesh, it's saving your face, your eyeballs, and your internal soup. Follow for more such videos.